There are many zodiac systems, but which one is best? We will be exploring two popular systems, the Chinese zodiac and Western zodiac systems. By now, you probably already know something about Chinese or Western astrology. But how do they compare? And can they be combined? Zodiacs are a worldwide phenomenon dating back many millennia and claim to have predictive powers concerning individuals and terrestrial events. There are similarities between the Chinese and Western zodiac system. First, they are both belief rather than scientific systems. Second, both have 12 symbols representing different human characteristics. Third, both are based on orbiting the sun. And fourth, both make designations based upon a time period at birth. However, these are only surface similarities. Why? The 12 symbols? Different. The human characteristics for each symbol? Different. A complete cycle of the zodiac? Yes, different. The Chinese zodiac uniquely relies on 12 animals as the predictive elements. In ancient times, it was Jupiter that shined brightest in the sky after the moon. It became the basis for the 12-year animal cycle of the Chinese zodiac, as it takes Jupiter about 12 years to orbit the sun. What ancient person watched Jupiter for 12 years? When you attach the 5 elements to the 12 animals, you arrive at the complete 60-year cycle for the Chinese zodiac. Did you know you can even have an inner animal and secret animal? And how were the 12 animals chosen? Well, that's the stuff of legend and lore. On the other hand, the Western zodiac consists of 12 sun signs based on the 12 zones of celestial longitude that Earth passes through in its 12-month journey around the sun. They are named after the 12 ancient constellations closest to us. Did you know you also have a moon sign and ascending sign to describe your feelings and social mask? Where pre-scientific cultures created these zodiacs to answer the universal questions of why are we here and where are we going? Today, mainstream culture likes to use it as a stealthy way to glean answers to much more practical questions like, how old are you? What kind of person are you? And are you a good love interest? Let's look at some relationships and see what the charts would predict. Elon seems to have some idea about what he's doing. The royal family? Blake Shelton? Most improved. Interestingly, today, the Western zodiac is becoming more trendy among the younger Chinese, and the Chinese zodiac is gaining visibility in the West. This begs the question, what if we combine the two zodiac systems? What would your animal sun sign be? And will this bring us any closer to what it is we are seeking? Nascent astrologists have indeed begun this intercelestial marriage. For instance, Kamala Harris, a dragon Libra, would be described as a seeker of balance, equality, justice, and respect. A silent type, but also quick-tempered. They have an extraordinary fate attributed to their hard work and willpower. Do you find this zodiac prediction to be accurate? For millennia, people have looked to the sky for answers. What's fascinating is that the human species is the only one compelled to ask, why am I the way I am? Why am I here? And where am I going? Because zodiacs of the world all try to answer these same questions, perhaps they should be considered a symbol of humankind's fundamental unity. Whether zodiac signs originate from the east or the west, whether they're accurate or not, the stars and the moon will continue to light our astrological path forward, paved by our free will, and lives will continue to be shaped by one force, the human being. To learn more about the Chinese zodiac, its history, and more famous figures, go to 1990 Institute's website. Stay informed and stay engaged. Subscribe to our newsletters, video channel, and follow us on social media.